HUD VPN, unlimited and secure. So double click to install it. Super fast and safe proxy. Introducing HUD VPN. HUD stands for your personal head-up display VPN, your virtual command center for navigating the digital realm. With this, harness the power of our HUD VPN, designed to provide you with a supercharged dashboard for seamless online security and accessibility. HUD VPN delivers complete solution for your device, protecting your digital privacy. Enjoy full access to services. 3-day free trial is available to explore the benefits. Choose from weekly, monthly, yearly subscription plans. So then you just have it here. Yeah, and then you can just open it up. This is one of those new VPNs, so I don't know how much you can trust it. It's it has a 3-day free trial and then $10 per week. But let's see, they have completely free version. It says connected, but it says disconnected. Obviously, it's not yet connected. Then you can just select Germany or USA, which are free connections. And then if you want a premium server, that's Australia, Canada, England, or Singapore. So that's how you have it. And then you just tap on it, tap on this button. And then, you will need to install this VPN profile. And that's how it works. So if you want to get some, free VPN for USA or Germany, that's the app, especially like for Germany. Some apps for Germany that you need to pay. So yeah, something around this, super easy to use.